click on Photoshop. Now opening the Photoshop, I am selecting the one picture. Today we are subject discussing about two colors, one picture, two cell shapes. Now opening the picture and select the option, go to the subject. Subject is the main because every picture you are simply select the subject. Now I am selecting the subject. Subject is a artificial intelligence adopt sensor. Now selecting the subject. Now I am creating the group 1 and also layer masking. Now click on the colors and select the black and white. Now color photo was changed in black and white color. Now I am selecting the hard light and the opacity is decrease the 90%. Opacity is decrease the 90%. Now selecting the colors, go to colors and select the gradient and map. Gradient and map is now we are discussing about the one side is one color, two side is second color. Now gradient and map, and now we are opening the white color and selecting the dark blue color or light blue color. Now I am selecting the light blue color and OK. Now picture was subject is selected in blue color. Now go to brush tool, select the brush tool, and the brush size is if you take 300 or 350, maybe your choice. I am taking the 300 and 350, and one side you select the white color and clearly erase half part of the picture in white color. Now I am erasing the picture in blue color, erased in white color. Now I am speedily working because I am explaining about this one. Now I am erasing the color. Okay, I am erasing the colors. Now you look this one, half part is blue color, half part is and really original color. Now go to the second topic is copy the layer. Simply you can click the Ctrl J, the shortcut is maybe is go to layer menu and copy the layer via copy. Layer via copy is already copied. Now adjustment, images and invert. Now totally colors is original subject is total colors. Now go to the gradient and map and select the color. Maybe if you can possible to select which color you can change, that color you can select it. Now I am selecting the red color. Now go to the gradient and maps, same technique, gradient and map, and go to the gradient and map. Just a moment. Now I am selecting the image and invert. Now go to gradient and maps. This is the gradient and maps, and go to colors and gradient maps. Now opening the gradient and maps and click on, I am selecting the red color. Now this is the red color. Okay, you can picture any type of picture, you can choose two colors. This is the method. This is the one picture is two colors. One side is red color, one side is blue color. If you would like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video.